आप इधर आए, सामने बैठो। कौन हाइट के है वो सामने बैठो।
Those who are taller sit at the back. Those who are shorter sit in front. Huh? Slide by it.
श्रोता नहीं रहते वक्ता क्या करें?
If there are no listeners, then what will the speaker say?
कई दिन जावत हमने श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा संक्षेप रूप में
we discussed Bhagavad Katha in short.
अनेकों उपाख्यान, अनेकों कथा को
Many kathas
हमने छोड़ दिया।
we left because of time constraints, because it's not possible to look at
एक
all kathas.
और 1.5 घंटे में या 2 घंटे में
1 hour, 2 hours.
कहाँ बोल पाएंगे?
How can we express the whole Bhagavatam?
18 श्रीमद् भागवत में
There are
कितने श्लोक
18.
हैं?
How many shlokas in
18,000
Bhagavatam? 18,000.
और उसमें
And in that
335
there are
अध्याय
335
भी है
chapters
और ना जाने कितने
and
उपाख्यान भी है,
many
कथाएं हैं,
stories, kathas,
बड़े बड़े राजाओं की
big kings, stories.
अनेकों कथा जो है सरस्वती गोस्वामी
Sukadeva
पाद
Goswami Pad
परीक्षित महाराज को जो है
explained to
श्रवण
Parikshit
करें।
Maharaj.
जिसमें
In that
विशेष करके
especially
हम चले वित्रासुर को पाख्यान
Vitrasur story we left
बहुत महत्वपूर्ण
because it
जो
was
है
very important
कथा जो है।
katha it is.
जब वित्रासुर
When Vitrasur
इंद्र के साथ जब युद्ध करने लगे
started to fight
और
with
इंद्र
Indra
दधीची ऋषि के
and
द्वारा
Indra with Dadichi Rishi,
यानी दधीची ऋषि के हड्डी के द्वारा
by the bone of
वज्र
Dadichi
बना।
Rishi he created a Vajra, a
अमावस्त्र
weapon.
था।
It was an unbeatable weapon.
वज्र
In that
ऐसे
Vajra,
करते उसके वित्रासुर की जो है
Vitrasur
अंग जो है छिन्न भिन्न होने लगे और अंत में वित्रासुर शरीर त्याग देने के
thunderbolt
पहले
weapon. So before giving up
सुंदर
the
सुंदर
body, beautiful
श्लोक जो है प्रभु के लिए
shlokas he
स्तुति करने लगे।
glorified for the God.
है।
Beautiful shlokas he
इसके
glorified.
कथा को सुनकर
After
के
hearing this katha,
परीक्षित महाराज भी आश्चर्य
Parikshit Maharaj became surprised.
प्रश्न पूछा,
He asked the question.
ये असुर लोग कभी भगवान की स्तुति नहीं
They
करते
can never glorify God.
हैं? संसार में 2 प्रकार के व्यक्ति
In the
होते हैं।
world, there are 2 types of people.
एक है क्या
One is
दैव भाव संपन्न होते
with the
हैं
mood of
और
the
एक
gods,
दूसरी क्या होता
devas, and
है
others are
असुर
made
भाव
of
संपन्न।
demons.
2 भूत स्वर्ग लेके उसमें दैव आसुरेव च विष्णु भक्त भवेत दैव आसुरी तद विपर्य। गीता में और पद्म पुराण में एक ही श्लोक है।
In Gita and Padma Purana, it
जो
is
भगवान
mentioned
के
this.
प्रति स्नेह प्रीति आदि रखते हैं उसके कहा जाता है क्या?
Those who love God,
देवता
they
कहा
are
जाता
called
है।
demigods.
दैव भाव। और जो भगवान के विरोध आदि करते हैं
And those who oppose
भक्ति के जो
God,
विरोध होते हैं विरोधी का
they are called
उसके कहा जाता है असुर कहा जाता है।
demons.
इसलिए स्वयं भगवान
For this
गीता में
regard,
कह
God
रहे
is
हैं, अर्जुन
explaining in
सुनो,
Gita, Arjun, listen.
2 भूत स्वर्ग के उसमें
Two
दैव
votes
आसुर
में
एव च
देवसा असुरेव च
विष्णु भक्त भवेत
विष्णु
दैव।
भक्त भवेत देव.
जो भगवान के जो भक्त होते हैं उसे कहा जाता है
Devotees of God, they
देवता
are
का।
demigods.
असुर लोग देवता लोग असुर लोग क्या सब देवता की विपरीत कार्य आदि करते हैं
They are disturbing.
जिसको कहा जाता है असुर के कहा जाता है नास्तिक कहा जाता है
And demons are called
Atheist.
atheist.
विपरीत भाव करें। किंतु आश्चर्य की बात
But surprisingly,
उस युद्ध क्षेत्र में
in the battlefield,
और इन्होंने विशेष रूप से 4 श्लोकों के द्वारा
with 4 shlokas,
प्रभु की स्तुति करने
they
लगे।
glorified God.
अहं हरे तव पादे
Aham Hare
कमूलम
Tava Pade Kamulam
दासानुदासो भवितास्मि मनोस्मरितासु पते प्रणामस्ते गृहीत बातो कर्म करोतु कायो। कितना सुंदर
Very
श्लोक है।
beautiful slok it is.
अहं हरे तव पादे कमूलम। हे भगवान
Hare Pade Kamulam.
आपकी चरण कमल जो है
Your lotus
मेरा
feet.
मन स्पट में सदा सर्वदा
They are always
स्मरण करते हैं, स्मृति करते हैं। मैं आपके चरण को भी सदा सर्वदा स्मरण करता हूँ। अहं हरे तव पादे कमूलम
Pade
दासानुदासो
Kamulam.
भवितास्मि है। आपके जो दासानुदास
Your das
आपके जो
anudas.
दास के जो
The
अनुदास
servant of your
दास
servant of your servant.
उनके अनुगत होकर के मैं रहूं। देखो ऐसे उस लोग कहेंगे अहं हरिद्वपादिक मूलम दशानुदासु दास मनोस मनोस समर्था असुपति मन प्राण आप हमारे के द्वारा मैं आपके ही
I am glorifying to you,
और
and
के द्वारा
with body
आपकी सारी सेवा करता
I am serving you.
कर्मों
Grindavako karmo karotu kaya.
हाथ के द्वारा
Naoge?
अर्चन करेंगे पैर के द्वारा आपकी
By my hands I will do archan, by the foot
उसके
I will do parikrama of your place. This is called Pada Sevan.
क्या कहा जाता है
Pada Sevan, offering service through your legs by doing parikrama, circumambulating the tirthas. And
हरितव पादी कमूलम
Anghang Tareva Pade Kapulam Dasanudaso.
मनोस मन असुपते कर्म करो तू काय है कितने सुंदर
Very beautiful moods are expressed through this.
और विशेष करके
And especially when one shloka is very very important.
वो क्या बोले अजात
That is Ajat Paksheva Vamataranga Khaga.
सन्नंगता वत्सरत सुदात्त प्रियं प्रियव कुशितं वस्पिसन्न मनोरविन्दाक्ष अजात
Ajat Paksheva Mataranga Khaga. Look,
छोटे
small
ये शावक होते हैं स्मॉल बेबी
small baby birds.
उनके अभी पंखा तो है कि नहीं?
They have the wings but they cannot fly.
और घोंसले में
And they stay in the nest.
और उनके माँ
And the mother
दाना चुनने के लिए
goes to collect the grains.
और उस समय
And at that time, those birds, what are they doing? Baby birds. They
वो
are
घोंसले में रहते
in the nest. They make chi 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 sound. The baby sounds they make. They are crying.
दो कारण से
Two reasons.
एक है कि
One reason is that
माँ को इतने स्मरण करते हैं कहीं दूसरी पक्षी आकर के उनके आक्रमण ना कर ले खाने ले हैं? और दूसरी क्या है
and second is
उनके भूख भी लगते हैं
they become hungry. They feel hungry like
जोगीलाल
Yogilal.
जगीराज ना जगीलाल कौन सा
Yogilal. Bogiraj.
बाकी सब तो ठीक नहीं है
The word bhogi is not good. People understand different. Bhogi means sense enjoyer.
कोई मेरे गांव में रखा है उसे चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना हैं? कोर्ट में
You
जाकर
have to change it. Right in the court, you have to change.
एविडेंस करना पड़ेगा चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है कह रहे हैं ना हमारी भूख लग रही है ठीक उसी प्रकार जो है प्रभु रसिक है ना स्मरण कर रहे हैं जिस प्रकार
In the same way, Prabhu is Rasik. Like a baby bird,
है, भूख लगते है इसे
they become hungry, so they are making baby sounds.
अपने भोजन के लिए
To find food. When the mother will come and when she will feed us.
अजात
It's Ajata Paksha Mataranga Khaka. Stananjata Vatsarpava.
इसलिए
For this regard,
के द्वारा
with the first word, first sentence of the slok,
पक्षी शावक के भांति
like a baby bird,
सर्वदा
always
प्रभु के इस प्रकार जो है
like this.
उत्कंठित होकर के मैं रहूं अर्थात दर्शन कैसे मिले
Srimad Bhagavatam 6.11.26, 6.11.6. Vitrasura is saying this is appropriate for me, not appropriate.
क्यों
Why? Because
वित्राचन मन ही मन सोच रहे हैं
Vitrasura is thinking that
खिलाते हैं अपने बच्चे
the mother bird that she is feeding to baby bird she takes from
बाहर से दाना
outside.
है? अपने देखो माँ अपने शरीर से
Mother from her own body,
उसमें प्रेम
what she is feeding from her own body, their prem is manifesting for this regard. In English there is a proverb, breast milk is the best milk.
है कि उसमें ममता होती है माँ अपने बच्चे को जो स्तन पान कराती है
Mother is feeding the baby, by that love and affection is coming. But the bird,
वो कहाँ से खिलाती है
she feeds from where? She takes from outside.
तो उसने प्रेम
For this regard, Prem
गाढ़ नहीं
is not so much condensed.
है। इसलिए मित्र
For this regard, Vitrasur is saying,
उदाहरण मेरे लिए
this example is not appropriate for my case.
इसलिए इसको त्याग दिया। और दूसरी चीज है
And second one is,
चिंतन किसे कर रही है?
why thinking about God?
आग्रह कई मुझे-
Other bird will come and might kill us. The baby birds are thinking and making these sounds. For this regard,
इसके भी ले रहे हैं, भगवान हमें रक्षा आदि करे।
so they are also crying out to God for protection. Just like this is coming like this. But Vitrasur is saying,
ये जो उदाहरण जो है मेरे
this
लिए-
example is not appropriate for me. You can listen now.
इसलिए दूसरी उदाहरण देते जा रहे हैं। क्या करें? तन्नम यथा
Tanam jatha matsaratam.
उदाहरण जैसे देखो
Lies like
दूसरी उदाहरण
calf.
के साथ
is giving example of an calf.
है, गाय के छोटे छोटे बच्चा होते हैं,
Little calves of the cow. They
लोग दूध दोहन करने के लिए
people to take the milk out from the cow.
रखते हैं।
So that they can get the milk, they keep the calf away from the mother cow. They don't keep them together
क्योंकि
because
दो कारण से
Two reasons.
बछड़े को जो है गाय से दूर रखा जाता है।
they are keeping calf away from the mother cow.
क्योंकि छोटा
Because
बछड़ा जो है
little cow,
कि अधिक दूध
little calf, if he drinks more milk, then he will become infected. Insects will come in the stomach. That's why the calf is not given a lot of milk.
इसलिए बछड़ों को क्या करते
So
हैं?
calves are separated.
तो उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, Vitrasur is giving example.
प्रकार छोटा
Like-
बछड़ा जो है माँ से दूर रहता है।
Little child is, or little calf away stays from the mother.
चिंतन करते रहते हैं। कब
And always he's thinking that how and when
छोड़ेंगे और माँ को
they will leave me and then I will go run and drink the breast milk from my mother.
इसलिए उदाहरण दे
For this regard, example is coming.
बछड़े जैसे माँ को सदा सर्वदा
The calf is always thinking about the mother cow.
जो ग्वाला होता है ना गाय चराने
The cow herder,
कब गोदान करते हैं?
they churn the milk, they take out the milk 2
एक
times,
है सुबह और
early in the morning and evening time.
जास्ती के समय। और बाकी समय
And other times they are keeping the calf away from the mother. Right? Do you have a cow? No.
यार तो कहते हैं वैसा गोदान करके छोड़ देते हैं।
People just take the milk and they leave the cows here in Bhuj and then the cows come back in the evening. I don't know how they come back.
दूसरे कोई व्यक्ति दूध-
Other person might take the milk from your cow. What do you do?
चलो वित्रासुर इसी उदाहरण दे रहे
So Vitrasur is giving example like this, that baby calf
सारा दिन माँ की
always thinking about the mother cow,
ये कब मुझे
that when
रस्सी से मुक्त कर देंगे।
they will free me from the rope and then I will go and drink the breast milk from my mother.
ये उदाहरण तो अच्छी है।
So this example is okay, that we are thinking about
और
God
भगवान की प्राप्ति हो।
when we attain God. But Vitrasur,
उदाहरण के भी
he is saying this example is not appropriate for me
क्यों?
because
दोष क्या है?
there are two. What is the problem in this? We're thinking about God, right?
वित्रासुर का
Vitrasur is saying, look,
बछड़ा गाय को तो दूध पी लेती है।
the calf is drinking the milk of the cow. This is correct.
गाय अपने शरीर की रक्त की खून के जो है
The
दूध
cow
में अपने बछड़ा
processes its blood and it turns into milk and it's feeding the calf. The bird is bringing food from outside, not making food in her own body, but the cow is making food in her own body
जो है
and then giving to her calf.
बछड़े को दूध पिला रही है। इससे दोष क्या
So
है?
what is the problem?
तो इसमें एक कार्य
So here explanation is Vitrasur is saying that this example is not
appropriate नहीं।
appropriate for me. Why?
न, इसमें
Because here the calf is drinking the milk. When then he forgets the mother.
है कि नहीं?
True or not?
जो दूध पी लेते हैं
The calf drinks the milk
घूमता रहता है,
and he goes away from the mother.
भूख लग जाता है
When he becomes hungry, then he comes
तो
back.
इसलिए अपने स्वार्थ को पूछ रहा है।
So his selfish reason is there in the calf. People do bhajan in this world, right? They are worshipping
दुख में
in sadness only. So in sadness only, everybody remembers in sadness only,
दुख में
and no one remembers in happiness.
और दुख में
And
सुमिरन
if someone remembers in happiness, then why will sadness come?
दुख में सभी तो सुमिरन करते हैं।
Everyone remembers God in sadness when we are hungry.
तो माँ को स्मरण
then the calf is remembering the cow. The calf is remembering his mother cow. The bird example is also coming first. When they eat, then they forget their mother.
दुख में हम भगवान के सभी स्मरण
Meaning,
करते
we all remember to God when we are sad, when we are in pain, distress. We are calling out, oh God, please help, please protect me.
बोलते रहते हैं
We are saying like this.
भगवान हमारे जब
When when good days come, then we forget God.
हैं? उस समय
At that time, we are saying, oh, I did this, I did that. Meh, making sound like a goat. Like goat say meh, like this, like I did this. Meh means I.
बातें समझे कि नहीं
This is true or not?
और जब
And when
दुख आ जाता है तब भगवान
sadness comes, then we pray to God. We say, oh God, please protect me. I have no power, I have nothing, you help me. But see, in scriptures it is said no.
दुख और सुख में
Sadness and happiness always, eternally, forever, remember to God.
सततो विष्णु विस्मर्तवो न जातु कहिचित् उपनिषद में कहा है
In Upanishad this is coming.
स्मर्तवो सततो
Samartava Sattva Vishnu. Always remember to God. Whether happiness, sadness, all times, remember to God.
स्मर्तवो सततो
Samartava Sattva Vishnu.
विष्णु न जातु कहि कभी उनके बुरा मत
Never forget Him.
एक निषेध आज्ञा जारी कर रहे हैं क्या
He
निषेध
is
आज्ञा जारी कर रहे हैं
saying an important instruction that never forget God.
हैं? भगवान को कभी
Never ever forget God.
Always remember
दुख में हो सुख में
Whether in happiness or sadness,
भी स्मरण करो।
remember to God. Because Vitrasur is giving this example that
ये बछड़ा जब दूध पी लेता है तो
when the calf drinks the milk, he forgets the mother cow. And when
धन संपत्ति
God, He gives money and wealth to us, then what do? We forget Him.
ही तो कुंती की
This is the story of Kunti.
है? कुंती जब
When
भगवान
Kunti,
है? जा रहे हैं
when she's going
जब द्वारिकापुरी जा
to
रहे हैं,
Dwarakapuri, at that time Kunti started to cry.
नहीं कहने लगे
She said,
हे संसन्नर हे कृष्ण
oh Shyamasundar Krishna,
हम जब विपद में थे
when we were in problem, we remembered to you. You protected us from all our problems, and today
सुदिन हमारे आज
our good days have come and you are going away from us.
हमें इतने की बात
Just give me mercy that
सदा
we always remember to you
स्मरण
in all situations.
दुख का इतना
So that's why Kunti is saying,
भगवान की से बर मांगा
she was asking sadness from God. Give me sadness and pain and problems, because then we remember to you come to us for teaching us. This is coming in scriptures.
बहुत सुंदर ये कुंती
Very beautiful Kunti Stuti. This is the glorification done by Kunti. Okay.
ये वित्रासुर
So Vitrasur is saying,
जो बछड़ा का जो मैं उदाहरण दिया
this example of calf that I gave,
हमारे लिए
this is not appropriate for me.
तो तीसरी उदाहरण में
And the third श्लोक,
प्रियम प्रियवो
प्रियम प्रेवो,
मनो अरविंदाक्ष
Srimad Bhagavatam 6.11.26.
वित्रासुर तीसरी उदाहरण के
So in third example, he is saying,
प्रियतम
like a lover and beloved,
जिस प्रकार सदा सर्वदा
always they are
साथ मिलने के लिए सदा
always thinking about meeting to each other. They are so much curious and they are hankering to meet each other. Especially the mood of gopis is hidden in this slok.
Gopi Baba.
The mood of gopis is hidden in Srimad Bhagavad. That's why
ऐसा क्या है
the main subject is this actually.
पर कि
The paramour mood of Braj is hidden in this scripture.
और पुराणों में
In other Puranas, it is not there. Only in Srimad Bhagavatam, the Braj
प्रकृति जो
Prem, the paramour mood of the gopis is expressed only in this Srimad Bhagavatam. Like a beloved and a lover and beloved, they both are hankering to meet each other.
आज
Understand?
बहुत सुंदर
Very, so many things are here. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, to remember these pastimes,
लोग आदि जो है
he was manifesting
कीर्तन करते
and reciting beautiful shlokas like this.
व्यग्रोपि गृह कर्मसु असदंतो नवसंगर सायनम जिस प्रकार
Just like
पर वैसे नारी
Paravasani Nari,
सारे काम अपने करती रहती है
like a lady is working in the house properly. No one knows
वो दूसरे के
that she is
प्रेम प्रति लाती
having love and affection for someone else. No one knows.
मानी मान चिंता
In her heart while working in the house, she is thinking about her lover.
देखो हमारे हृदय में
In the same way, in our hearts,
के प्रति हम ये चिंतन करें।
we are thinking about God. You can live in your family, no problem.
अपने माता
Keep
पिता,
doing your responsibilities with your mother, father, brother, everyone. Serve everyone.
किंतु परमपिता परमेश्वर के
But
प्रति हमें कैसे होना
with this God, we must always think about Him. Yesterday I told, one is husband and one is the husband of the universe.
चाहिए? समझ में आ रहे हैं?
Understanding my point? In this material world,
पति का जन्म
we have husband. Okay, because we got married. And one is their husband of the whole universe. Who is that? Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That's called Parampati Parmeshwar, Jagatpati, Jagannath.
है? काल कहा ना,
Yesterday I explained like Jagannath.
जगत के जो नाथ है, नाथ
The Nath word means in Sanskrit, it means the husband. So one is the husband of the whole existence, of the whole universe. That is called the Parampati Parmeshwar, Krishna. You are doing everything in this world you can do.
परमेश्वर ने यदि भाई
If you don't do bhajan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that everything is useless.
शास्त्र में ऐसी
In scriptures it is said,
पति सेवा करना ठीक है,
you can serve your husband, no problem. I am not denying it. But you must always serve the main husband, which is the God.
लेकिन चार वर्ण
So there are 4 varnas and 4 ashrams. If you follow that, even then if you don't worship to God, then after death, where will you go? You have to go to hell.
ये संपुरुषों नौ भजन्ति अवजन्ति अवजानति स्थान स्थिता पतंति ऐसे परम पुरुष के जो भजन नहीं करते,
Those who don't do bhajan of God and they are doing all the social etiquette, worldly behavior, everything, but even then they have to go to hell.
देखो रो रो
See, they have to go to hell. In Srimad Bhagavat, evidence is coming like this.
इसलिए संसार
For this regard, you can stay in this world, no problem, but you have to do bhajan of whom?
परमपति परमेश्वर
Parampati Parmeshwar. You have to worship to the God.
भगवान की सेवा,
Always remember Him, always serve Him.
यही तो हमारे वित्रासुर
In Vitrasur story like this, he's saying,
प्रभु का हम कैसे सब सेवा करें?
how can we serve God?
घर संसार में रहते
We
हुए
stay in the family and
सब प्रकार की
all types of
अपने कर्तव्य निभाते हुए
following our responsibilities. Serve to whom?
भगवान के
Serve God.
सब तो मेरा वही नहीं बन जाएंगे,
You all cannot become Mirabai, right?
बन जाएंगे
Can you become?
मेरा वही
How many Miras are there? Only one.
दूसरी अभी तक नहीं।
Second, we are not seeing. Maybe it might be somewhere.
मेरा वही की कथा कितने
Mirabai Katha is so beautiful, right?
के बाद उसके
After marriage,
तो गिरिराज की सेवा करना,
Mira served Giridhari. She used to lock her room, and with Thakurji, she used to speak with Thakurji. In the meantime, someone knocked the door. And like, who is here?
दरवाजा खटखटाया,
Someone knocked the door. She was not opening the room because she was absorbed and she was directly talking to the deities. Thakurji, have you even tried to talk to the deities? With Thakurji, she is talking, and this her husband, he is hearing out from the door.
केवल मीरा के सर नहीं है,
It's not the sound of Mira also. He's hearing the voice of God also when he's outside the room. He knocked the door.
दरवाजा खट खोल नहीं है,
She's not opening at that time. Half hour passed by, 1 hour passed by. He was standing outside.
और
Then
उसके बाद दरवाजा खोला,
he opened the door. After that, he said, "Tell me,
इसके साथ तुम बात कर,
you are speaking to whom?" Mira said, "What?
मेरे
I am talking to Giridhari. He is here."
बोले ऐसे नहीं हो सकता,
Not possible. Deities cannot talk.
ये तो पत्थर है,
This is piece of stone.
नहीं कोई दूसरी पुरुष
Some other man has been here in this room.
छुपा छिपी,
He's hiding in this room somewhere. Where is he? Tell me. Mira said, "You can find. You can find him," but he could not find anyone.
बोले नहीं
He said, "No. You have hidden him somewhere."
और उनके ऊपर ऐसे
And then
लगाया,
he blamed her and
तो मैं
chastised her. At the end, Mirabai
सब कुछ बोले
gave up everything
वृंदावन हो जाए,
and she went to Vrindavan.
आज
Understand? In Vrindavan.
मेरे तो नहीं वो गिरिधारी लाल,
Giridhari Lal,
मेरे तो गिरिधारी लाल दूसरी ना,
only Krishna is mine and no one else is mine.
वृंदावन में रह करके
And staying in Vrindavan,
एकांतिक निष्ठा
where she with one pointed faith,
निष्ठा रखकर भजन
she did bhajan.
है, उनकी कथा बहुत सुंदर है,
Her katha is so beautiful. Jiva Goswami Pad
भजन करेगा,
is doing bhajan in Vrindavan.
गोसाई पाद के एक पत्र लिखा।
Someone wrote a letter to Jiva Goswami Pad.
बाद उस समय वृंदावन में जो है बहुत उच्च कोटि
Mirabai wrote a letter to Jiva Goswami Pad. Someone told that there is a high class Sant Mahatma there.
तब उस समय
At that time, she wrote a letter that from I want to meet with you
कथा में सुनना चाहता हूँ, साधु संग।
in Sadhu Sang.
सही बात।
So at that time, Jiva Goswami Pad wrote that
किसी स्त्रियों के साथ मैं बात-
I don't speak with any woman.
एकांत में किसी
I don't speak with any woman alone.
मीराबाई ने लिखा,
Mirabai told,
ने कहा
in scriptures it is said, there is only one man in the whole existence,
एक पुरुष भगवान है।
and that is Krishna. Are you Krishna?
आप कैसे पुरुष कहते हैं? आप मैं-
You are saying I am man, but the only man is Krishna.
देखो
So look,
मीराबाई ऐसे
Mirabai, she gave a beautiful answer like this to Jiva Goswami Pad. When Jiva Goswami hearing this, he became surprised. Then Jiva Goswami Pad, they met with Jiva Goswami
ये
Pad.
पत्र लिखा,
They wrote a letter that Mirabai
लिखा
wrote a beautiful letter
तो
that
वृंदावन में सैम रंग के ओढ़नी उड़ाई गई।
I am wearing a cloth of the which is of Krishna's color. I am wearing that sari
रंगाई।
in Vrindavan. Like this she said.
बोले श्याम सुंदर कृष्ण के
Shyam Sundar, apart from Krishna, we don't want anything else.
उससे
She said, I don't want. So Jiva Goswami Pad gave a very beautiful answer.
कहते हैं जीव गोस्वामी
He said,
देखो
look,
किसके यदि
if someone
सिंगार रस में यहाँ प्रवेश करना है,
wants to enter Sringaras, two meanings are coming.
श्याम रंग के ओढ़नी मैं श्याम के छोड़ करके और मैं किसके नहीं जानती हूँ। कौन-
I don't know anyone else apart from Shyam Sundar. Mirabai is saying this.
श्याम के कृष्ण छोड़
Apart from Shyam Krishna, I don't know anyone.
मीराबाई
Mirabai is absorbed in the mood of Krishna. Like she's thinking to serve Krishna. At that time, Jiva Goswami Pad is saying,
देखो
he told,
यदि किसी के वास्तव रूप में
in reality, if you want to enter in Sringaras,
आज श्याम रंग
Sham Ras,
कहा जाता है श्रृंगार
this is Sringaras, it's called Sham Ras.
और रस के होते हैं ना।
There are different types of rasa. There are 12 type of rasas. The 5 are primary, Shantadasa,
वात्सल्य
Vatsala, and Madhura, Shringar ras.
और होता है क्या?
And
7 गौण रस होता है।
7 secondary rasas.
7 गौण रस क्या है?
What are they? Hasya, Madhut, Karun, Veer, Vivatsa,
रुद्र
Rudra, Dhyana.
ये सब के कहा जाता है 7।
This is called 7 secondary rasas.
क्योंकि ये सिंगार
But
रस में किसी ने
in this Shringar ras, if someone wants to enter in Shringar ras,
इस सब रस के एक प्रकार से रंग होता है।
there are different colors that are symbolizing different types of rasas.
तो रस के एक अधिष्ठात्री भी
And there are different presiding deities of all the rasas.
समझ में आ रहे?
Understanding my point? Each rasa has different presiding deity.
देवता होता है, उसके वर्णन करने में बहुत समय लगेगा।
It will take a lot of time to explain this all. So I just covered it up quickly. I'm indicating it in that in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. In commentary, such a beautiful explanation is coming.
और रस
All rasa, Santa, Dasa, Saka, Vatsalya, Madhurya,
और हास्य अद्भुत करो
Hasya, Adbhut, Karun, Veer, Vivatsa,
भयानक
Dhyano.
ये समस्त रसों की
All these rasas, they are
अधिष्ठात्री
different presiding deities of each rasa. Shringar rasa presiding deities, who is it?
है
Who is the presiding deity of Shringar ras?
कृष्ण।
Krishna. But
अधिष्ठात्री जो
the presiding Shringar ras.
सिंगार रस में प्रवेश करने के लिए
But to enter Shringar ras,
नियम होता है।
there is a rule.
क्या होता है?
What is the rule?
उस समय
At that time, Jiva Goswami Pad, he spoke a shloka to Mirabai.
वो श्लोक याद रखना।
Remember this shloka.
अनारब्ध
Anarādha padambo.
अनाश्रित विद्या अनवीत पदांकम् असाम्भास्य तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तम् कुतः सुंदो रस सावगा। किसी सिंगार और श्याम रस
Shringar ras, Sham ras. If someone wants to enter, if someone wants to take a dip in the nectar of Sham ras and taste the nectar of that ras, then what you have to do? You have to follow 3 rules.
कुछ भी कर
Anything you do. How many?
3 4 नहीं।
Not 4. How many? 3.
पहले नियम क्या है?
First one is
जी के चरण में
you have to be one-pointedly devoted to Srimati Radhika.
कहते हैं ना राधा बिना कृष्ण।
Without Srimati Radhika, Krishna is incomplete.
इसलिए राधा जी
For this regard,
जब तक हम अपने को निष्ठा नहीं रखे
if we don't have nishtha towards Srimati Radhika, we can never attain Krishna. You can do whatever you want.
राधिकार दासी यदि
राधिकार दासी यदि होय अभिमान
शीघ्र
शीघ्र मिलय तवे
गोकुल
गोकुलकान. Understand?
आप इसको पढ़िए.
You can read this.
आप भी कीर्तन कीजिए. आपके कीर्तन बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं.
Very beautiful kirtan you sing. Start to sing this kirtan now. Radha bhajane di
मति नाही गेला कृष्ण भजन तव अकारण गेला आत परहित सूरज नाही माने राधा विरहित कृष्ण नाही माने. देखो राधा भजने यदि मति नहीं गेलो कृष्ण भजन तब अकारण. जो राधा जी के छोड़
one giving up Krishna, those who are worshipping to Krishna and they're trying to worship Krishna, their bhajan cannot be matured.
एक राधा भजने
So if
मति नहीं गेलो
if the desire to worship Sri Radha does not arise, then your worship of Krishna goes in vain.
आत्मरहित. देखो
Ataparahita.
सूर्य के साथ सूर्य के क्या रहता है?
With sun is always having,
रेज रहता है.
the rays of sun are always there.
सूर्य और सूर्य
Surya.
सूर्य है, सूर्य के किरण है. कोई सूर्य के मान रहे हैं, किरण के नहीं मानते, तो ताप कहां से आएगा?
So someone is believing in the existence of sun,
सूर्य के किरण जो है अपने आप रहता है.
automatically.
जुड़े हुए
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the meaning?
शक्ति
Shakti Mator Dayor Aveda.
कृष्ण के कहा जाता है सब.
Krishna is called the possessor of the power. Understand the Siddhant.
सर्वशक्तिमान
Sarva Shaktiman.
जी को क्या कहते हैं?
Radha ji is called Shakti.
शक्ति मतो
Shakti Mator Dayor Abheda.
शास्त्र में
No difference between the power and the possessor of that power.
शक्ति जहाँ पर शक्तिमान जहाँ पर है,
Wherever there is Shaktiman,
कोई शक्तिमान को छोड़ करके शक्ति की उपासना शक्तिमान की उपासना नहीं हो सकती.
without you can never worship the power without the Shakti.
शक्तिमान
Shaktiman is there.
शक्ति कहाँ पर? मूर्त कहीं पर अमूर्त रूप में रहता है.
Sometimes direct and sometimes indirectly.
और sometimes
Sometimes manifest and sometimes unmanifest. Understand?
इसको अच्छी तरफ से आप समझ लो.
Understand this clearly.
समझ में आ रही कि नहीं?
Understanding or not? What did I
जैसे
say?
सूर्य है,
Like sun.
के साथ सूर्य के क्या रहता है?
With sun, there is the ray of the sun.
अग्नि है. अग्नि के साथ ही साथ क्या रहता है?
With fire, there is
अग्नि की दाई का शक्ति जो है.
the burning potency of fire is there also.
है कि नहीं? जैसे कस्तूरी जो है,
Like Kasturi.
कस्तूरी के साथ क्या रहता है?
With Kasturi,
सुगंध.
the Kasturi flower has the fragrance of the Kasturi flower.
आपके साथ आपकी क्या रहता
The
है?
fire has
दाई का शक्ति जलाना.
the burning potency.
उसका पृथक नहीं कर सकते.
You cannot
उसी प्रकार से
compare it. When Krishna is there,
राधि शक्ति
Krishna's pleasure potency,
श्रीमती
Srimati Radhika,
विराजमान.
is present always with him.
भक्तिवान ठाकुर से प्रमाण दे दें.
That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is giving evidence.
भजने यदि
Radha bhajane jadi mati nahi gelo,
कृष्ण भजन
Krishna bhajana tava akarana gelo.
आत्म पर रही तो
सूरज नहीं जानी राधा विरहित माधव नहीं मानी.
राधा से कृष्ण को अलग नहीं कर सकते.
Radha and Krishna cannot be differentiated. No difference between the power and the possessor of the power.
ये सब विचार में सुनो. इसे कह रहे हैं, देखो हम संक्षिप्त में बता रहा हूँ, केवल एक ही श्लोक अच्छा करने के लिए मुझे 2 घंटे चाहिए.
I need 2 hours to express one shloka.
संजीव गोस्वामी बात इस श्लोक के बता रहे हैं.
So that's why Jiva Goswami Pad is saying this, Anaradhya Radha Padam Mujrenu.
जो राधा जी के चरण आश्रय नहीं करते,
Those who don't take shelter of Srimati Radhika, they can never ever enter Shringar Ras.
क्योंकि
Because
इसलिए क्या करना चाहिए? राधा जी
that's why you should always
के एकांत की
have faith in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika.
इसे कहते हैं राग अनारद्ध राधा
Anaradhya Radha Padam Mujrenu.
अनाश्रित वृंदावन.
Anasita Vrindatat.
और दूसरी क्या है?
And second is that
वृंदावन में आपको
in Vrindavan,
वास करना चाहिए.
you should reside in Vrindavan.
क्या बोला, कहाँ वास करना चाहिए? Where you stay?
Where should you stay in Vrindavan?
वृंदावन में कौन?
बड़े वृंदावन में कहाँ रहेंगे आप?
Where will you stay in Vrindavan?
राधा
The places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika.
ममस्तु
Mamastu me.
वृंदावन है जहाँ पर
So in Vrindavan,
आधिपत्य
the places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika, those places.
वो कौन सा स्थान है?
Those places are where? Radha, the highest places, Radha Kund.
राधा कुंड ऐसे दिव्य अलौकिक
Radha Kund is such a divine transcendental place.
केवल राधा जी के पक्ष छोड़ करके
Apart from the Sakhis that are of Srimati Radhika, no one can enter there. Even Jatila Kotela, they go to Surya Kund.
कहीं भाई गोवर्धन के तट पर पहुंच जाए
Sometimes they can reach near by Govardhan on the starting point of Govardhan, but Radha Kund is completely protected by Yog Maya.
एकमात्र जो है
Only the
राधा जी की जो सखियां
Sakhis of Srimati Radhika,
सखी जो है
Radha Nishta, those who are completely devoted to one Srimati Radhika, only they can enter Radha Kund. Lalita Vishakha, they have separate kunjas.
कि 8
There are 8
कोण में
corners of Radha Kund. There are Ashtasakhi kunjas in the 8 corners of the Radha Kund. How many?
कितने कोण है?
How many?
अष्टकुंड का
8.
है और
Radha Kund.
8 कोने पर जो है
In the 8 corners,
किसके कुंज है?
there are
सखी के। कौन सखी?
8 Sakhis kunjas. Ashtasakhis kunja. Lalita Vishakha Sudevi.
माला जप करते
So when we chant,
हैं बड़ी से लेकर के देखो 8 के बाद एक छोटा सा गांठ लगा
so after 8 there is a little bit knot in the Japamala, you can see.
उसमें क्या
So those first 8 beads represent the Ashtasakhis.
माला में जो है
In this mala, in this bead, there are 108.
इसे 8 दिन में जो है ये विशेष
So-
करके जो 8 सखियां जो है अष्टसखी ललिता
So Lalita Vishakha, Sudevi Rangadevi,
चित्रा चंपक लता
Chitra Champaklata.
के अष्टसखी
Like this, there are Ashtasakhis.
एक छोटा सा
Then
धागा लिया
there is a,
उसे कहा जाता है जुगल सरकार का
then there is Yugal Sarkar,
राधा कृष्ण
Radha Krishna.
माला के आकार बिल्कुल रासलीला में जैसे
This bead bag, this bead is just like a round of Ras Leela.
है। और फिर अलग
And then different Sakhis.
कितने से क्या रह गया बकी
How many Sakhis are pending there?
8 तो हुई अष्टसखी हो गया
Ashtasakhis are there. Another 100. So even out of 108, there are 8 other Sakhis. Shatakoti Gopi.
कितने गोपी
How many gopis?
100
100 gopis. Satakoti Gopi.
है ऐसे
Vrindavan.
आपके यदि माधुर्य रस हो उसमें भी आप
If you have Shringaras, then you are in the beads. You are one of the beads. You don't know your spiritual form. Listen carefully. You are in the Japamala. I'm telling you very high level katha.
समझ नहीं पाओगे
Everyone won't be able to understand, but just to understand, one day you will understand maybe.
सुनाई नहीं क्या बोल
Listen carefully.
ये जो आपके माला जो मैंने दिया जपमाला जो दिया कितने है 108 108 में बीच में जो रहता है क्या
Out of 108, in the middle there is the conjugal couple.
इसमें देखो ना इसमें चला दिखा ये देखो इसमें कितने दाने हैं 108
How many rounds are here? This is the
ये जुगल से
Jugal Sarkar Radha Krishna.
है और इसके देखो ये
And
1 2
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
ये अष्टसखी हो गई
There are Ashtasakhis.
और बाकी कितने रह गए
And other are 100.
तो रासलीला में
In Ras Leela, how many gopis
विराजमान है कितने गोपियां
Okay.
विराजमान है
How many? 100
सैकड़ों एक शतकोटि
trillions, Satakoti. There are many.
शतकोटि
Satakoti.
है ही है
These are 8.
और बाकी कितने हो गया
And others 100 crore.
108 आ जाए
So 108 is coming in these.
ये विशेष बहुत
This is very confidential katha, but yet I am telling to you,
छोड़ करके सब कुछ
giving up shame and everything I am telling to you.
एक दिन काम में
One day this will come to use,
समझ में आ जाए
whether you understand or not.
ये प्रैक्टिकल रूप में जो है
The practical I will tell to you. I won't go in deep.
समझ नहीं पाओगे।
You won't be able to understand. This Japamala, Mala. Mala
लक्ष्मी
means Lakshmi.
साक्षात सर्वलक्ष्मी श्रीमती
The Mala means Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is giving this. That's why this is called Mala.
समझ में आती
Understand or not? You say Mala, chant Mala. You say Mala.
माँ मने
Ma means Sarvalakshmi Srimati Radhika.
ला मने लाती मने
La means Latina.
ला मने प्री अर्थात श्रीमती राधिका के साथ हम सेवा करेंगे
Like we're serving with Srimati Radhika. That's why Mala. Serving with Srimati Radhika.
देखो अच्छा चलो आगे तो फिर कथा सुनाता हूँ
Okay, further katha is coming like this. How many are left? 100. 100 koti. Shatak koti.
कोटि शब्द की दो अर्थ
Word koti has two meanings.
कोटि शब्द के अर्थ होता है क्या
What?
श्रेणी श्रेणी का
Shreni.
जैसे जीव कोटि
Like Jeev koti, Ishwar koti. These words we are using. Other words we are not using. Koti.
कोटि शब्द के संस्कृत में वहाँ पर एक होता है
In Sanskrit it is called Koti Desh.
कोटि
Koti. Listen carefully.
इसमें शतक कोटि इसमें जो है
Here
कितने हो गया 100 रह गया ना ये 100 कितने हो गए 100 करोड़
so these 100 are 100 crore copies. 8 are separate.
इसमें यदि आप
And here it's not for everyone.
जो है
All jivas,
अपने रस के अनुसार
depending on their rasa, they have a form.
है वो कॉन्फिडेंट हो क्या बोलिए पोटेंशियल रूप में होता है
It's there in form of potential.
पोटेंशियल रूप में जिसमें है सब चीज
The jivas have this.
अभी अभी समझ में नहीं आएगा
Right now you won't understand. When you do bhajan slowly, when anartha is finished,
आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा
then you can
मैं
realize.
उदाहरण देता हूँ
Like example is coming.
मॉर्निंग वॉक
Like today we were doing morning walk. I told there
देखा कि नहीं
there was a banyan
और उसमें कितने
Tree.
फल लगा हुआ है बहुत सारे
and there were many fruits.
देखो
When a fruit is ripe, in that one fruit
दारू थोड़ी
there are thousands of little seeds. Did you see?
अच्छा सुनो बात
Okay, listen carefully.
पेड़ बरगद के पेड़ में आप
In that same banyan tree,
उधर आपको दिखाई नहीं पड़ेगा
you cannot see any one plant nearby.
बाई चांस भी हो जाए दूसरी बात है
By chance it is different, but
नीचे
under bargat tree,
इतने बीज तो खा करके पक्षी
fruits are there, they are eating the fruits, but there are no seeds.
बीज कर देते हैं और देखो उस पेड़ के नीचे जो है इतने आप
Underneath the banyan tree,
मैं क्या बताऊं
there are many seeds on the ground, but there is no any plant.
बाई चांस भी हो जाए दूसरी
By chance may be there, but no banyan.
जब खा लेते हैं
When a bird eats it,
करके कहीं बीट कर देते ऊपर जब आपके
and when they come up and when they pass down their stool, sometimes they pass down on the roof, on the stone, anywhere. There a plant comes.
अब देखो
You can see this.
अच्छा ये कैसे हो गया
So how possible this happen? Example is coming. Jiva Goswami Pad is giving example.
जो पक्षी खा लिए
What bird ate
शरीर के रस से
from the body,
बीज जो है
one of the thousands of those seeds,
फल उसमें
a
अंदर
fruit.
बीज है उस
They have thousands of seeds, and out of those thousands of seeds from the body, they enter many seeds in the body.
पता नहीं पाता
Listen to this katha carefully.
उसके हजारों बीज
There are thousands of the seeds.
एक जो है फल खा ली
You just ate one fruit of the banyan tree,
उसके पेट में
and then it went into the stomach.
हजारों बीज है उसमें
There are thousands of stomach, the thousands of seeds in the stomach,
शरीर के रस से
and from the body
वही
of
हजारों
the bird, out of those thousands of seeds, only one seed
द्वारा सिक्त हो जाता है
becomes soft through their moisture in the body, and then they pass the stool, and then a banyan tree comes out from wherever they poop like this.
खाली दो जोर से
Give a big round of applause.
इसके तात्पर्य क्या है
What is the significance of this? When you do bhajan,
ऐसे कोई आपके गुरु मिल जाए
if you meet a guru,
और गुरु के उसी प्रकार मंत्र आदि जब
and if you take mantra from guru, initiation from guru, when you chant the mantra slowly, you will realize your own transcendental constitutional form, and that will take you to and give you entrance to Shringar Ras.
वो पोटेंशियल है
Potential is present, but
भजन करते करते करते
When you do bhajan, slowly this will happen. Someone is from Sakhya Ras.
इसके पोटेंशियल सब के हैं,
Someone has potential of Sakhya Ras.
रस के हैं,
Someone has potential of Dasya Ras. Someone has potential of Vatsalya Ras.
माधुर्य रस।
Someone has potential of Madhurya Ras. Many. But
जो माधुर्य रस के होगा,
the one of Madhurya Ras,
मंत्र आदि ग्रहण
if you take mantra from Guru, then
क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे
slowly
हो जाएगा।
it sprouts into a huge tree. Slowly.
थोड़े ये पर सिद्धांत हमारे देते हैं,
Little bit Siddhant is coming here. If there is no potential,
जैसे को पक्षी
then it won't come. Like the bird ate many fruits and many seeds in the body of the bird, but
चार हैं,
only 2 to 4 seeds
वो उस प्राप्त
grow.
करके वृक्ष धारण कर।
and then they become a banyan tree. What is the meaning?
मेरे पास था ही वो,
You have this potential,
किंतु तुम जानते
but you don't know yet.
आपको पता नहीं।
You were not aware of it. But when you do bhajan, slowly, you can understand this. I'm saying this because
इसमें हो सकता है,
it is possible. The names that you are chanting, that's why Japamala is given. Sadhguru, what they are saying. Some people say that I chant. Some people say I chant in my mind. But this is not proper. In scriptures it is said, you should chant in the mala. That's why when Guru gives this, it has automatically, he is giving potential. He is giving potency and power in this. You can purchase bead from market. It won't work out. For this regard from Guru, when you take mala,
उसमें क्या करते हैं?
Guru he puts power in it.
जैसे देखो,
Just as like, I give one more example.
आप बाजार में खरीद करके
You purchase a deities from the market.
एक विग्रह चाहिए,
Okay, one deities you purchase from market and then
प्रतिष्ठा नहीं किया,
you did not do
क्या
it.
कहते हैं?
Then
उसे विग्रह नहीं कहते, उसके कहते हैं यार क्या बोलते हैं, पुत्री कहते हैं, विग्रह कहते हैं।
it's called just a deity, normal deity. But when Sant Mahatma,
महात्मा के द्वारा जब उसको प्रतिष्ठा दिया जाता है, ऐसे
अच्छा,
जब उसे मंत्र संचार
so when the power is coming, it's called Pran Pratishtha, like this.
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा किया जाता है, उसमें
So Pran Pratishtha is done. Sant Mahatma with Ved mantras,
उसमें प्रतिष्ठित कर देता है,
they are putting power in the Japamala and then
देते हैं,
they are bringing God in the deities. So they put power in the deities and I bring actual God in the deities. This is called Pran Pratishtha. The deities installation mantras are there.
है कि नहीं? अभी हमने प्राण प्रतिष्ठा
So near British did Pran Pratishtha in Faridabad.
मैंने कितने भी किया,
And many I have done in Houston, many places. Like with Gurudev we went to many places.
शिवजी गौड़ी मठ में,
Like in Keshavji Gaudiya Math in Mathura,
है, रूप सनातन में,
in Rupa Sanatan.
और हमारे क्या बोले, मैं तो
And what I said,
रमन बिहारी गौड़ी
Raman Bihari Gaudiya Math also. Puri, last year, 2 years before.
और वहाँ पर भी
There we did Pran Pratishtha, installing the deities of Thakurji
संचार किया जाए,
and putting power in it by mantra.
उसके क्या किया?
Power is put in the deities, so real God manifests. So this japa, this holy name, mala given by Guru, when you chant this, there is power in it.
एक माला लेकर के मन
You can purchase from market and you chant. See, you won't get, and you will get one realization, second realization. But when you take from Guru and when you chant, you will have another level of realizations.
सुनने की इच्छा नहीं,
You won't want to stop chanting.
जोर से ताली बजाओ।
Give a big round of applause. So there is so much power when you receive. You don't realize this yet, because more and more anarthas will go away slowly.
तब आपके उतनी जो है मंत्र आदि जप
Then
करते हैं, माला
when you chant holy names slowly, realizations will come in your heart. And just as like in a pond, there are small
खाई जम जाते हैं,
algae.
छोटे
There is algae, little green algae.
उसमें आपके जो है वो दिखाई नहीं पड़ा, पानी
You cannot see water on top. You can just see the algae.
अलगी पूरा ऐसे
You will see like a green texture on top of water called algae.
तो फिर उसको क्या
So,
धीरे धीरे
Slowly,
हटाना पड़ता
you have to remove. Then slowly you remove. Then you can see there is water underneath it, pure water underneath it.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What does this mean?
उसी प्रकार भजन
Sadhak, when they do bhajan slowly, in their heart, all the dirt in their heart, they have to clean it, remove it. That's why Mahaprabhu is saying, Chetarpan Marjanam. See this.
एक चित्त कैसे है?
His heart is like a mirror.
दर्पण समझते हो? मिरर।
Mirror.
आरसी। इरामध्ये।
Look, do like this. Tanamarjanam. Clean this mirror.
भवमादावानिर्मापणं श्रेयकैवल्यविकारितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दमुनिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं गुरुनामसाधनं
सर्वात्मसमर्पणम्।
परम विजय श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तनम्।
Understanding?
पहले क्या करो?
First, you have to
चित्त रूपी
clean the mirror of your heart. Clean it. How? With the holy names. Oh, with holy names, everything is possible. That's why Cheto Darpanamarjanam.
विशेष करे माता
Especially
बहन के साथ में क्या रखते हैं आप सब? एक मिरर रखते हैं।
all the mothers, they keep a mirror these days. These days they have mirrors in the phone. They use selfie cameras, and the mothers check it. They take out. They sit in the bus. They check the mirror and then they put lipstick.
अब बात ये है कि नहीं?
True or not?
है कि वो लिपस्टिक लगाते हैं?
They put lipsticks like this, right? You cannot see. What do you do?
वो अपने मोबाइल में मिरर है।
In the mobile there is mirror, right? I don't have a phone, so I don't know. There's a selfie camera, right? They just click a button in phone and it turns into a mirror. It turns itself into a mirror, and then they see their face, and then they put.
पांच जो प्यार होता है
They have this thing. I don't know what is it.
वो उसका है।
Lipstick. Then they'll put something on their lips. I don't know what is it. True or not?
हैं? अब बात सही है कि नहीं?
True or not?
बोलो।
It's true.
वो देखिए। और हम लोग भी क्या करते थे?
And we also put tilak.
मोबाइल नहीं है।
We don't have phone, but I have small mirror to put tilak.
ये तो दिखाई नहीं पड़ता।
Otherwise, how will I put tilak? So with mirror I put tilak. Okay.
करें हम
That's why I am giving this example.
महापुरुष हैं,
Mahaprabhu is saying,
दर्पण को कैसे करो?
clean your heart like mirror.
इसमें चेत होगा।
Panamarjanam. So like this. Parjanam.
ये हमारी ये दर्पण।
This is mirror.
क्या पड़ा? चेत होगा दर्पण। अब महादावनिर्मापणम। भगवत नाम करने से क्या होगा? आप जरा धीरे-धीरे
When you chant holy names, the Maya giving you the troubles, all they will go away. Adhyatmik Adi Devik Adi Bhautik, all kind of flames of Maya will be extinguished.
जैसे देखो आकाश
Like in the sky,
में क्या होता है पूर्णिमा के दिन
or during full moon day,
चंद्रमा जब
then the moon is growing.
उनकी किरण से क्या
By the rays of that moon,
कमल
the nighttime lotus blooms.
कैरव का
It's called Kairav lotus.
वो क्या होता है?
It blooms at night with the moon rays. Cheto Darpanamarjan Bhavadavaginavapanam.
जीवनम देखो भक्ति होने के साथ ही साथ
When bhakti came, two things automatically come.
रूपी वधु हमारे पास आ जाए।
A wife as knowledge.
दो प्रकार की होता है।
It will come to us.
और ये होता है
One is knowledge and avidya.
अविद्या समझ।
Knowledge and
संसार की दुख कष्ट
Non-
अविद्या अस्मिता राग
avidya means all these pain and distress of this world. The seed of sin, sins, even the desire to commit sins. Slowly it will go away. It will be destroyed. And
चित्त विद्या जो है
the transcendental knowledge,
चित्त नॉलेज आपके
transcendental knowledge will manifest in your heart.
ये विद्या वधु जीवन
Vidyapatu Jivanam.
स्वरूप बन जाए।
And it will become your life.
देखो
See, that's why Vidyapatu Jivanam. Anandurdam Vardhanam. After this, in every second, you will take dips in the ocean of bliss of prem.
प्रतिपदम
Pratipadam. Every second.
प्रतिपदम
Pratipadam. Purnamrita. Aswadanam.
इतना आनंद होगा
So much bliss will come. So much. You will realize and you will taste this bliss.
और इसके बाद
And then what happens?
परमात्मा
Sarva. Then you surrender completely. Meaning,
ये संपूर्ण रूप से
fully, completely you
समुद्र में
surrender yourself. You will take a dip in the ocean of prem.
धीरे धीरे पहले
Like you take a bath. Slowly you open the tap. Open the shower. Okay. Slowly you open the shower. When you put soap, everything. Then at the end
पूरा जो है
you turn the knob of the shower fully, and all the water pours on you, and then you now take bath nicely like this.
आप
First time
फूल जो है क्या करते रहते हो, खड़े रहते
she was just standing for 2 minutes under the water and over your body becomes wet. When the body is cold and clean, till then you keep the water tap on. You are standing underneath the shower and taking bath like this. And those who take bath in pond, they take a dive and then dive inside it.
ये तो हमारे
That's why Mahaprabhu is saying,
का राजहंस जो है,
like a king of swan, you know, swan, a swan, who's, they dive into the ocean like this.
उसी प्रकार
Just like this, in the ocean of huge prema, you all will take a dip every second, and many kinds of jewels of Krishna Prem you will attain. That's why what I'm saying is, Anaradha Radha Padambujarainu.
अनासित वृंदावन में वास करना पड़ेगा,
I have to reside in Vrindavan. Where?
ऐसे राधा
Where? The Radha
वो
Kund.
राधा कुंड में जो मैंने थोड़ा सा
In Radha Kund I left.
राधा कुंड की
On the
तो कुंड में
8 corners of Radha Kund there are Ashtasakhis Kunda. Kunjas. Lalita Devi Kunja name is
ललितानंद
Lalita Nanda Kunj.
ललितानंद कुंज का
Lalita Nanda Kunja. And Vishaka Devi called Vishaka Nanda Kunj.
कुंज के नाम
Different Sakhis, different Kunja names. Very beautiful Kunjas there are.
है, कुंज
Very beautiful Kunjas are there. And the middle, there is in the middle of Radha Kund, there is special Kunj. It's called Swananda Sukhad Kunj. That Kunj is of
नारायण की बहन
the sister of Srimati Radhika. Her name is Ananga Manjari.
सदाय होइया दिखाई वे जुगल प्रीत, हमारे भक्ति ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing in Kirtan.
अनंग मंजरी
Ananga Manjari,
जब प्रसन्न हो जाए
when she becomes happy, what will she do?
और दोनों के हमें हाथ पकड़
She will grab our hands and she will
राधा जीवन सखा
take us to the conjugal couple.
है। आप हो जाओगे जब
And you can go, when you go in Radha Kund, in the middle there is a kunda in the center, right in the middle. It is called which Kunj? No,
अंगन कुंड कहा जाए,
Angan Kund.
तो कुंज कहा जाए।
This Kunj, I am talking about Kund, not Kunja.
कुंड की बीच
In the middle of Radha Kund there is a Kund.
कुंड के नाम क्या होते
It is
हैं?
called
कंगन कुंड कहा जाए।
Kangan Kund. Kangan Kund.
कुंड किसने नाम पड़ा?
Why is the name Kangan Kund? Because Srimati Radhika with her bangle, from her bangle,
बंगल उसके
she, by that she made a kund with her bangle. That's why it's called,
राधा कुंड के बीच
in the middle of Radha Kund, there is,
उसके कहा
it is called Kangan Kund, the bangle like kund.
आपने पता नहीं
You are not understanding or not, but you can read scriptures. You can see my beautiful book is about to release. It's about to be released soon.
तो इंग्लिश में
It's in English.
है, उसमें जो सुंदर
Everything is explained.
राधा कुंड के बीच में जब
In the middle of Radha Kund, that kund is,
क्या कुंड बताया?
what is called? Kangan Kund.
अनंग मंजरी की
That is the place of Ananga Manjari. From there, a kunj is coming out. That kunj is called Swananda Sukhad Kunj. It is of Ananga Manjari, and
और उसमें राधा कृष्ण
there Radha Krishna's most confidential pastimes happen.
जो मैं कैसे
In
जानता
that kunja, how do you enter?
हूँ तो पानी
All around there is water, right? So in that time, Yogamaya, she arranges a beautiful bridge.
ब्रिज बना देते हैं। जब राधा कृष्ण चले
When Radha Krishna goes, then the bridge disappears.
जैसे आजकल होता है ना,
Like these days,
नदी में जो है
big rivers,
वो होता है ना, वो कहते हैं ब्रिज जैसे राधा
a bridge comes and then they contracts back. Like big ships,
करने के लिए बस कर
to pass the ships, the bridge
और देखो आप
moves like this. Before you won't see anything, you can just see the roads.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं जहाज,
When the ship is coming, when the road will open itself,
वो ब्रिज दोनों तरफ
the road opens and it makes way for the ship. And when the ship passes, and then the roads join together again. Have you seen it, right?
विदेश में
In the west, it is there.
बहुत जगह में हॉलैंड
Many in Holland. There are many I have seen in Holland.
आपको देखा मैं इतने सुंदर है
Very nice.
और जा रहे और जब कोई जहाँ जाएगा
When a ship passes through,
और वो देखो रोड ऐसे
drawbridge.
फिर जब पास हो
When the ship passes, after 5 to 7 minutes, it becomes back into a road.
इसी प्रकार
In the same way,
ये टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ से है?
but this technology is inspired by from Golok Vrindavan. Everything is coming from Golok Vrindavan. The humans just they study something and they are making it.
ब्रेन आ गया।
The brain is something like this, but this all the technology, all is coming from Ved Puranas. Everything.
हम लोग भारत
We, the Indian culture, we have forgotten our own culture, and we are and the Western people, they took all our scriptures and they are making thinking, and then they are creating technology. True or not?
वही भारतवासी क्या करते
And Indians, then they go to the West, and then they study from them, and then they come back, and then they teach, then they make.
बिहारी लाल की जय।
टेक्नोलॉजी किसका है?
In reality, this technology belongs to India. In Ved Upanishad, thousands of years ago,
5000 साल पहले
around thousands of years ago, Vyasadeva Goswami,
कंप्यूटर लिखा है।
he wrote everything in the scriptures,
बस नहीं। सब कुछ लिखा है।
everything. But we forgot.
अपनी संपत्ति की जो है
We forgotten our own wealth.
हमारे पिताजी की इतनी संपत्ति है,
Our ancestors have left so much wealth, yet we are not understanding it.
दरिद्र की भांति
Like a poor person, like a beggar, we are going here and there.
यही तो महाप्रभु का
Mahaprabhu is saying like this, many examples. Okay, what I was saying was this, that Radha Kund middle Kunj was,
क्या बताया?
that Kundan was Kangan Kund.
कंगन कुंड
In that Kund, Kangan Kund, a Kunj is sprouting from it, it's called
आनंद
Sananda Sukhad Kunj. That is the Kunj of Ananga Manjari.
आनंद सुखद
और उसमें राधा
And Radha and Krishna, both they perform divine amorous pastimes. Very beautiful. For this regard, Radha Kunda is such a divine place. No one can enter there.
जब तक राधा जी की कृपा
If there is no mercy of Srimati Radhika, mercy of all the Sakhis, Lalita, Vishaka, Rupanjari, Ananga Manjari, if you don't have their mercy, no one can enter there.
है, इंद्र भक्ति
For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing,
मणि माय राधा कुंड तट काय कुंज सता ससा प्रबाल विद्रुम मन तोरु लता मुक्ता फले अवनत मुक्ता फले अवनत मुक्ता फले अवनत हे कुंज सता सता ये तो केवल 8 कुंज
the 8 kunjas. Apart from these, there are thousands of different kunjas.
सब सखी के अलग-अलग
Each Sakhi has their separate kunja, where beautiful. It is land of pastime. The Radha and Krishna, there is Krishna Kund also.
पास में क्या
Nearby there is
कृष्ण कुंड
Krishna Kund, right? There are also the Sakhas, they have many places.
कृष्ण कुंड में स्नान
You took a bath in Krishna, to take bath in first in Radha Kund, then you go to Krishna Kund.
फिर कृष्ण कुंड
Then after again,
फिर आपको
you have to
तरीका
Sangam Stali, the meeting point of the Kunda, you have to take bath and then you have to take bath in Radha Kund again. This is the process, rules and regulations. Radha Kund and Sham Kund, where they were meeting, in the middle, there's a place, it's called Sangam Kund. The meeting of those both kundas. When you go there, in Radha Kund, you go to Parikrama,
तब दिखाएंगे
then we'll show you.
संगम कुंड का
There is Sangam Kund.
है, बहुत सुंदर है संगम
So Radha Kund and Krishna Kund, they are meeting at that place.
जैन स्थल
It is the joining point of Radha Kund and Shama Kund. Sangam means meeting, the meeting point of Radha Kund and Shama Kund. You have to take bath there. You go there, taking bath here, there. I don't know. That's why go with sadhus,
के साथ
go with devotees
कथा सुनो
and listen to katha.
पहले
First,
स्नान करो कान के
take bath through your ears.
नहीं तो जड़ बुद्धि होती
Otherwise, material perception will come and you will become cold and you will become sick and then you will give up everything. You will go in hospital and then you will
सीधी चले जाओ
die.
हैं? समझ में आया?
Understanding my point.
इसी तरह प्रेमी भक्ति सब
So go with the devotees, premi bhaktas. So Radha Kund
वृंदावन में वास
reside in Vrindavan.
वृंदावन कौन सा ये राधा
Vrindavan, the places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika, in those places you have to be there. One is
पंचकोशी वृंदावन
Panchakoshi Vrindavan and one is Brihad Vrindavan.
कुंड से लेकर के नंद
From Radha Kund Nandagaon Barsana, this is called Brihad Vrindavan, the whole Vrindavan. Listen carefully.
इनकी कहा जाता है बृहद वृंदावन
It's called Brihad Vrindavan.
और विशेष करके राधा कुंड
Especially Radha Kunda is the highest place.
मधुपुरी तथापि राजभूत वृंदावन मुद्रावने तथापि गोवर्धन
ऐसा हमारे रूप गोस्वामी पाद सुनता
Rupa Goswami Pad is explaining so beautifully.
आइए कथा में
Okay, let's come in Katha. So first, you have to be have one pointed feet towards the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Second rule, you have to reside in Vrindavan. And third rule is Tad Bhakta Sange Sada.
कथा ये करे से है ये कहता है अनारक्त
Those who listen to Hari Katha from pure devotees of the Lord about Prem.
असंबस्य तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तन कुत श्याम सिंधु है जब तक ऐसे रसिक वैष्णव
These Rasik Vaishnavas, if you don't associate with them, don't listen to Ras Katha, these confidential things you won't understand, then nothing will manifest in your heart, mood will not come.
एकदम हमारे रूप
For this regard, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad
मीराबाई जी एक श्लोक लिखा
wrote this slok to Mirabai.
जो ओढ़नी क्या है
The sham color of sham sari you are wearing, no Krishna. Radha ji is important. Under of child guidance of Srimati Radhika is very important. Her shelter is very important. Ki jai. For this regard, Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they just don't worship Radha and they just don't worship Krishna. They worship to whom? They worship the conjugal divine couple Radha and Krishna together. Radha, Krishna, they both meet together and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaur Hari Ki Jai. Understanding my point? That's why in Gaudiya Math there are three deities: Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Krishna, and then Srimati Radhika. No one else report in the temple. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is under his guidance and shelter. You have to serve the conjugal divine couple. Pavan Bihari. Bolo Srila Gurudev ki
राधे राधे राधे